talk to him.
I thought what we are going to do, starting Monday.
If we find anybody paying,
no Ugandan,
we are going to
will ever pay
the routes. Nobody must travel.
From Monday, we shall never pay this until
we shall never.
We don't know.
I swear before God.
I know this is fully.
Animals did not elect us.
Okay?
This is
how can we protect animals?
We are not going to pay. We are not going to pay for this road.
Sincerely.
You are going to open this route by force, by fire, by thunder. How about Kasese people? Why are they enjoying and us we are paying?
Hello, Queen Elizabeth Road. No, we are not paying. You are not.
Who has sent you here to come and penalize us? We are not going to accept. Open this gate for us.
So we are not going to pay forever and ever.
They elected us so that they can use the road. Are we the ones who have closed that place?
Lake Buru is not being paid.
We want to use our road or you open this road.
You cannot fool us.
You cannot fool us like this.
So
you are going to open this road or you lose your jobs. Why is the minister not doing that? We are not gang here. We want to close.
From Monday, they will not pay here. And for us to end and go. No, we stop it. Okay. Yeah, we don't know nonsense.
We told Parliament we shall be driving here for free. Everybody must go for free until that 3 months is done. We don't care about this.
We don't know nonsense.
When the money collected here is being stolen everything. Who is Chief Warden? Chief Warden is more important than Parliament, right? He's more important than us. Who pays his salary? We have been calling him. His phone is here. I called him the whole day. Who does he think he is? Excuse me. Do you know our office? You think we don't have offices? That's why we can do for you. Then leave us to go.
We are not responsible for that.
No, that's why I called him 1 million times.
We are trying to explain to him, madam. Why
don't you
understand?
Let's back and go. So don't pay any money.
Go to hell. We call him and he doesn't pick. We stood on the floor of Parliament. We said we cannot pay sentence because we are born from that state. Am I paying for my being born in West Nile? We said open the route. It's not we cannot be sentenced to payment because we are born from this side. How can people are passing through Kasese and they are not paying? What have we done to this country? They don't pay.
We passed via the park, Masindi. We are at Pakwach Junction. What is going on is that they selective allowing people to pass and use this road. They are allowing these people to pass and use this road selectively. The UN cars are being allowed to access the road freely. The government vehicles with red number plates are accessing the road freely. The security personnel, police officers, the soldiers' cars, they are being allowed to go. But the civilian cars, those who are traveling from Kampala, going to West Nile, going to Acholi, going to Lango, they are still being asked to pay the money. What we are now saying, as members of Parliament from the North, is that we condemn the discriminative charging of people accessing Murchison Falls Park. If you look at it critically, Queen Elizabeth in Western Uganda, if you are passing from Kasese to Barara, you will pass via Queen Elizabeth free of charge, and vehicles are moving translate. If you are moving from Barara to Masaka, you will pass via Lake Buru National Park. People move free of charge. If you pass via Fort Fotol to Bujibuju, you will pass via Semiliki National Park. People are moving free of charge. Then now, why is it the only road to northern Uganda is being charged, and by 7 exactly you stop people from the movement? This is discrimination and biasness. We need all vehicles to continue passing from here without pay. We did not ask government to close Karoma, but on condition, that is why we are passing from here to Masindi up to Kampala. So we don't want biasness and discrimination of this government. We don't want that nonsense, and it must stop. Beginning on Monday next week, no one shall be charged on this road. The moment they are charging our people, everyone from West Nile, from Acholi and Lango, we shall come and disorganize this road.
The woman member of Parliament for Terego, I did not write a letter to Terego that I want to be your daughter. I didn't write a letter to God that let me be a born of West Nile. It's by nature, it is God who has created me from Terego. And I cannot allow seeing my people being charged just because they cannot have any other access route. We did not block Karuma. It's because there is already a problem. The road has been blocked because they're working on the bridge. Now, where do they expect us to pass from? We shall not pay on this road. On Monday, we shall come here. If we find anybody paying, we shall cause the biggest havoc here. We are people's representatives. The people are complaining. They have been mistreated on this road. How can you prefer animals to human beings? How about the animals in Semeliki? How about the animals in Mburo? How about the animals in Queen Elizabeth National Park? Are those not animals? Why are the animals in this national park more important than human beings? We will not accept this. We were on the floor of Parliament. We are not joking. We were serious. If anything, we are the second poorest region. Now, the little we have is being milked on this road. Every week we are in the constituency. We shall manage and monitor this road. I said this with anger. Everybody, I'm NRM by the way. But I will not continue to listen to madness of few people. Thuggery, they are stealing from our people. Our people must be allowed to enjoy, even to see the animals. Actually, we didn't see animals. Let those who are working in the national park go and chase the animals to the roadside so that we can see. This is time. Everything happens for a reason. Now it's our time to see animals for free. We thank you.
Thank you. We are now saying all those one from West Nile, those who own cars from West Nile, those who own cars from Acholi, those who own cars from